From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good afternoon. Thank you for joining us here on CNET. I'm Brian Mastro from the Penn State Campus Weather Service. Here with your forecast for the State College area. And looking outside right now at Beaver Stadium, looks like it's a gorgeous day out there. Very minimal cloud cover in the sky right now. However, there's something that you can't see in this picture, and that it is very windy outside right now. Currently have winds coming from the west at 25 miles per hour, and we've had gusts today into the 40s and even into the lower 50s here in Happy Valley. And the wind is the story all across the Commonwealth today, with winds in the 30s and upper 20s across much of Pennsylvania. We've had even worse winds over in the west, where they've had gusts approaching 60 miles per hour going throughout the day today. It's beginning to die down a little bit as the wind advisory for State College here issued by the National Weather Service does expire at 7 p.m. But we're still going to remain pretty windy throughout the evening, not quite into the 30s, but we'll still be in the low 20s with gusts approaching 30. Then looking across at the temperatures are pretty nice across central Pennsylvania right now, mostly in the mid-50s right now, a little bit warmer down here. Carlisle coming in at 62 degrees. It's more of the same across the entire Commonwealth as well. A little bit warmer down in the southeast with Philly coming in at 63. A little bit chillier up in the northwest, Bradford 48 and Erie at 50. Looking at our radar and satellite, that rain that we did have last night and this morning has cleared out of Pennsylvania. There's some high clouds living around in the northern half of the Commonwealth right now, which would be a gorgeous day if it wasn't for that wind that we have out there. I'm looking at our eye on the future. It's going to remain clear throughout tonight and going into the early portions of tomorrow. However, once we get into tomorrow evening, clouds will begin to increase, and then we'll even have some snow move in tomorrow night and going into the early hours of Friday. And that'll be sticking around throughout the morning hours during the day on Friday. State College here could pick up a couple inches of snow, but we'll have more on that later. So here's tonight's forecast. We're expecting a low temperature of around 31 degrees under mostly clear skies. Still a little bit blustery out there. Winds 10 to 15 miles per hour, gusting to around 25 miles per hour. And then going into tomorrow, we're expecting high temperature around 51 degrees. Mostly sunny skies during the day. However, we are expecting those clouds to be increasing into the afternoon and evening hours. Potentially a rain shower tomorrow evening before the snow does arrive tomorrow night going into Friday morning. Then taking a look at your 7-day forecast, we do see that chance of snow for your day on Friday, where once again State College could pick up a couple inches of snow. And then notice how cold it gets over the weekend. We'll have lows dipping down into the teens and highs not even reaching 30 degrees. It's going to be the coldest it's been in State College in quite a while. Quite a far cry from what we've been used to lately with that warm February with temperatures reaching up into the 70s just a couple weeks ago. And then notice again, Monday, Tuesday, we do have another chance of snow here in Happy Valley. So make sure you do stay tuned to the Campus Weather Service for all the latest information on both Friday and next week's snow. And follow us on Twitter at PSU Weather for up-to-the-minute information as well. For the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm Brian Mastro. Thank you for tuning in. Have a great day.